Oh yes, here it is, the 2023 Ram 1500 Sport Night Edition here at Golden Mile Chrysler. This is nice. Wow. I'm really liking the look of this one. You made such a great choice. Let's check out the inside. We'll check a few of the features. First, get the e-torque Hemi. Love that. So here it is. Check out the inside of this. This is so nice, man. Wow, these seats are super comfortable. Love the console in the middle. All the room in the back for your guests, and everybody gets to enjoy some natural light with the panoramic roof. Let's check out a few more of the features here. First one, and very important, if you have more than one driver, use the memory seat function. For the convenience of the engine start-stop button. Love it. Nice big 12-inch screen. Park assist and forward collision monitoring as well, and blind spot monitoring. That's awesome. Park assist, you can use that with your rear view camera with predictive steering. Entertainment wise, you got AM FM radio, Sirius XM radio, and you can also use your phone with Bluetooth. Great for winter or summer. You have heated seats and vented seats, and also a heated steering wheel as well for you and your passenger. Avoid unwanted data charges and use the navigation tool. You also have apps like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And one of my favorites, remote start. Love it. There you have it. That's just some of the features available on this beautiful 2023 Ram 1500 Sport Night Edition. It's here. It's ready for you right now. Call us at 416-759-4137 to book your test drive today.